Welcome children. Take out your geography book. Natural regions of the world. Today's topic is temperate grasslands, steppe, prairie, location. Cool temperate grassland climate are also called the mid-latitude steppes, found in the interior part of the continent in the temperate zone within 35 to 55 north and south from the equator. Now, cool temperate grassland climate. This is also called the mid-latitude steppes, and these type of climates are found in the interior parts of the continent in the temperate zone where the latitudinal position is 35 degree to 55 degree north and south from the equator. They lie in the transition zones of desert and humid climate. Where they lie? They lie in the transition zones of desert and humid climate. The characteristics of this type of climate is that they experience the continental or the extreme type of climate. Now, the characteristics features of this climate is that this type of climate experiences the continental or the extreme type of climate. Now, areas or regions. A vast expanse of this climate region occurs in the North America and Europe and parts of Asia in the mid-latitude. Now, a vast part of this climatic region, where it occurs? It occurs in North America and Europe and some parts of Asia in the mid-latitude. Less extensive area where they are found in the South Africa, South America and even Australia. Now, temperature. Being situated in the interior middle latitude, they do not get the advantage of the marine influence. As it is situated in the interior mid latitude, they do not get the advantage of this marine influence. Hence, winters are extremely cold and summers are warm with temperature ranging from 30 degrees Celsius in summer to as low as 40 degrees Celsius in now, as it is situated in the interior mid-latitude, they do not get the advantage of marine influences, and so the winter they are extremely cold and the summers are warm with temperature which ranges from 30 degrees Celsius in summer and they are as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius in winter. Therefore, these lands are known to have extreme cold conditions in winter and warm summer, and for this reason these lands they are known to have extreme cold during winter season and warm during summer. Diurnal range of temperature is also high because of dry weather condition, clear sky and rapid radiation. Now, the diurnal range of temperature here it is also high because of dry weather condition, clear sky and rapid radiation. Precipitation. The amount of rainfall received annually in the steppe region is greater than in the desert. Now, in steppe region, what happens? Annual rainfall received, it is greater than those of desert. The mid-latitude steppe regions have an annual average precipitation between 20 degree to 50 degree, and the mid-latitude steppe region they have an annual range of precipitation that is between 20 degree to 50 degree centimeter. The amount of precipitation may vary from year to, and the amount of precipitation what happens? It varies from year to year. Some parts of steppe regions may receive summer precipitation while other parts they get winter precipitation from cyclone. Some part of steppe region what they get summer precipitation while other part they get winter rainfall from cyclones. Hence, variability and undependability is the characteristics feature of precipitation in the middle. So, the characteristics features of middle latitude it is variability and undependability. Characteristics feature of cool temperate type of climate. Now, what are the characteristics feature of cool temperate type of climate? That is, these lie in the transition zones of desert and humid. Now, where it lies? The transition zones of desert and humid climate. They are situated in the interior, they experience an extreme type of climate with severe. Now, where they are situated in interior and they experience an extreme type of climate where there is severe winter. Natural vegetation. The only vegetation is grass. Only vegetation found in this region, that is only grass. These grasses are typical of black earth region of the Ukraine. Now, these grasses they are typical of the black earth region or of the Ukraine and the humid parts of the American prairies and even the humid parts of this American prairie. During the heat of the summer, the grass begins to wither and most of it dries in the summer. Now, during the summer heat, what happens? The grass starts withering and most of them die during the autumn. However, the roots do not die, and with the coming spring, new leaves from the area is covered with grasses again. However, but the grass roots it doesn't get die. With the coming of spring, what happens? New leaves from the area, it get covered with grasses again. Vegetation is chiefly prophytic in nature. These grasses are capable of regenerating themselves even after a destructive fire. Now vegetation, the nature of vegetation is prophytic, and so these grasses, what they are capable? They are capable to regenerate themselves even after a destructive fire. A few trees such as poplars, willows and alders grow in the damper soil. Now some trees, that is poplar, willows and alders, they grow in the damp soil. Only the poleward side of the temperate grassland merge with coniferous forest, while on the equatorial side they merge with scrub or semi-desert type. Now poleward side, that is the temperate grassland, what they do? They get merged with the coniferous forest, while on the equatorial side what happens? They merge with scrub or the semi-desert type. These grasslands are given different names in different continents. Now these grasslands, what are they? They are given different types of name in different continents. That is steppes. Eurasia it is called steppes. North America it is called prairie. Argentina it is called pampas. South Africa it is called veld, and Australia it is called downs. Crops. Agriculture on this grasslands is highly mechanized. Now agriculture on grassland, it is too highly mechanized. Extensive farms for producing wheat they have started under the system of collective farm. Now extensive farm for this wheat, they have started this under the collective farm. Russia, Turkestan and Ukraine in Europe are a very important producer. Now Russia, Turkestan, Ukraine in Europe, and very important producers of wheat. Now wheat farming is a predominant economic activity all over the temperate grassland region. Now wheat farming, this is predominant economic activity all over the temperate grassland region. Most of the wheat produced in USA and Canada comes from the prairie region. Now most of the wheat, from where it is produced in USA and Canada. From where it comes from the prairie region. They are called the granaries of the world. And what are they called? They are called the granaries of the other crops are grown on maize and cotton. Other crops which are grown here, they are maize and cotton. Now take out your diary, write natural vegetation, natural regions of the world. Topic: temperate grasslands, steppe, prairie. Explain, homework, revise it. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.